Will virtual reality, VR, change the face of B2B marketing? At I-MOTUS, we think it might. And this is why. Use your device to look all around you. You're in the command room of a government agency. On the main screen, news reports of a major incident are coming in, and through VR, you are in the thick of the action as the agency responds. You see firsthand how innovative technology could transform working practices and enable this agency to respond with a pace and agility that has so far never been possible. Our experience shows that the level of audience engagement that this type of immersive B2B experience generates is off the scale compared with other media. Now you're in a hospital ward, but it's not a hospital as you know it. Look all around you. The patients are wearing intelligent wristbands that are used to identify them, track their treatment, and monitor their key parameters in real time. Through VR, you experience for yourself how digital technology could improve patient monitoring and eliminate many repetitive tasks on the ward. This could free up clinical staff, improve patient care, and enable patients to leave hospitals sooner to recover in their own home. For the first time, B2B marketing teams can enable their audiences to really experience their organisation transformed by new products and services. And audiences find it captivating. Now you have arrived at an airhead for a critical aid operation in Africa. Look around you. You can experience this dangerous and time-critical operation from the ground and watch as the logistics team works to transport urgently needed medical supplies. Through VR, you're transported out of the meeting room and into the field, and you see for yourself how this operation could be transformed by technology. Audiences remember experiences like this, and it puts the products and services they see at the front of their minds. VR is new, it's novel, it's entirely immersive, and engages senior stakeholders at a level that other media simply cannot achieve. Contact I-MOTUS to find out more about immersive B2B marketing experiences.